beloved people, this is Mama K, live and direct from Abo, Delta State. Stay tuned, keep watching. Yes, my beloved people, guess what? I'm going to cook party jollof rice for 8 people. So stay tuned and keep watching. This is thyme and curry with oil. We're going to fry the rice. Fry the thyme and curry with the oil and the rice so that it will be no stick each other before you do the jollof. Can you see? You have to fry onions first. You have to do stew, so just keep watching. Yeah, I'm putting some spices to make it more delicious. This is Spice City jollof rice, that sachet. It's so nice, so you can put it for taste. And also onions, fry them well before you put the tomato paste. Tomato paste, I use Gino tomato paste so that it will be more sweet. Can you see? And fry them well until the oil will come up. Yeah, fry them very well. Add some fresh pepper, grinded fresh pepper, so that it will mix together according to your, some people don't like pepper, so me, I like pepper. Think fresh tomato, you grind also fresh tomato so that it will have more taste. We do like stew. Can you see the fresh tomato? Yummy, yummy. Adding some fresh slices tomato. Slice your tomato like 5. So just to make some, crunchy thing. So can you see? You can add carrots, up to your taste. So I'm adding some fresh sliced tomatoes. This one is bonga fish. I love this bonga fish in this Nigeria. It is so delicious. So I'm adding small. With the crayfish, I have grinded together, but this bonga fish I'm just putting in so that the taste will be more. So can you see the bonga fish, my people? You add some Knorr Maggi cube for taste. Knorr, I like to put 1. So that's the Knorr Maggi cube. Add some grinded crayfish and grinded pepper, so it will make more tastier the stew. You have to do the stew first before you add the rice. You do like stew, you can put smoked fish if you like. You can put bomo, anything up to your taste. Soon I'm going to add the meat water, so stay tuned. Boil it till the oil come up. Can you see? Then you can add the meat water. I'm going to add the meat water slowly, my people. This is the ingredient for jollof rice. Party jollof rice. Am I not trying? Can you see the meat sauce? After you add the meat water and the goat meat, it will be like this. I add some goat meat and some fresh fish. But fish, I will put it later. It will scatter inside the rice. So I'm just waiting till the rice is cooked. So this is how the jollof rice stew. Add some bay leaf, my people, to give the taste. Bay leaf is nice for jollof rice. You have to add the rice to that stew before you parboil it again. Can you see? Mix all the ingredients. Can you see? Yes, then I will add some water, then you will boil it for 20 minutes. So you have to cover it very well so that the rice is boiled and cooked very well. So This is the jollof rice. Party jollof rice. Can you see? Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is goat's meat jollof rice. Wow, can you see? It turns fine, so tasty. Home cooking is the best. Try this recipe, my beloved people. It's so easy.
2,000 years later.
This is the party jollof rice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's party jollof rice done by me. Yummy, 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 yum, 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 yum. Please try the recipe. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it doesn't cost much. Tomato, pepper, fish, goat meat, you know, anything you can use, anything. So the best jollof rice in Nigeria. Can you see? Very nice.
Said di bango banga, di bango banga, bango banga, di bango, di banga. Pardon for badi ratonga, kenyango te muso purenga, parce qu'il a dumba. Said di bango banga, di bango banga, bango.